morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all will be sound at your home and you must be enjoying your activities. Now it's a time to learn English. Parents, in this session I am keeping the phonic sounds because as you know phonic sounds are very important for the child development, because without phonic sound we can't imagine writing, listening and speaking. So I request you all, please make your child learn the phonic sounds because it is very important. So let's start the session. Is E, but the sound of E is eh. But the sound of E is eh. This is letter E. E का sound क्या होता है? Eh. Sound of E is eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Broke the egg like this, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. And what is the sound of E? Eh. What is the sound? Eh. Now we will see related object to the E. E says egg. E says egg. Egg. Very good. Oh. Which animal is this? Elephant. 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 Very good. And which letter is this? This is letter F. This is letter F. Very good. The sound of letter F is no sound at all. Its sound is very soft. My friend and I went to the beach. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got a hole and the air come out like air come out like. So this is the sound of letter F. Now we will see the objects related to F. So children, this is letter F. Fish. Fish. क्या है ये? Fish. Very good. Fan. Fan. Next letter is H. Letter H. Now what is the sound of H? Let's see. When you hop, run and get tired, at that time what will you say? This is the sound of letter H. Okay. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. And so this is the letter H sound. Very good. Now we will see the objects related to letter H. So letter H sound is oh, what is this? Hen. 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 H says hen. H says hen. Very good. And H says